In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view reports in FreshBooks to effectively harness its analytics capabilities. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or accountant, FreshBooks is a fantastic tool for keeping your financials organized. Let's get started on how you can access and navigate the reports feature in FreshBooks. The first step is to head over to the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it through a Google search or by entering the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you're on the FreshBooks homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. After arriving at the login screen, you'll need to sign into your FreshBooks account. Enter your credentials carefully. If you happen to have any trouble remembering your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the FreshBooks dashboard. It's essentially your command center, providing access to everything you need to manage your finances. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu, where you will find a tab labeled Reports. Click on this Reports section, which is your gateway to valuable insights provided by FreshBooks. Once you've entered the reports area, you'll be greeted with various types of reports categorized for easy navigation. Starting off, you will see options to view your invoice and expense reports. These are incredibly useful for keeping track of outstanding invoices and managing your expenses efficiently, giving you a clear picture of your cash flow. Next up are the accounting reports, covering elements like profit and loss, sales tax summary, and balance sheets. These are essential for financial analysis and tax preparation, helping you understand the financial health of your business better. Do take some time to explore these, as they offer crucial information at a glance. For those involved in projects and requiring a focused track of hours, FreshBooks provides time tracking and project reports. These reports help you monitor how much time is spent on each project and ensure efficient billing for your services. Additionally, it provides insights into project progress and budget across different phases. Lastly, don't forget to check out the log feature. This section can be particularly helpful for reviewing changes made to reports, maintaining a record that ensures transparency and accuracy in your financial documentation. By regularly checking these reports, you can remain informed and proactive in managing your business's financial operations. And there you have it, your complete guide to accessing and utilizing reports in FreshBooks. Keep exploring all the features FreshBooks offers to maximize your business's performance. Thanks for watching.